Best deals.
1. Coconut Breaker is manufactured from high-quality steel that provides exceptional strength and durability. The solid metal body ensures the tool can easily handle hard coconut shells without bending or cracking. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Measuring Jug holds up to 1 liter of 4 cups, making it ideal for precise kitchen tasks. A perfect match for measuring cups for kitchen, baking measuring cups and spoons. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Trivets. This eye-catching set features 2 circular trivets that fit neatly together for compact storage. To use, simply peel apart and place down with the raised dots facing upwards, easy to clean and protect valuable worktops. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Flour Sifter. It can be used to filter flour, icing sugar, cocoa powder, cake seasoning powder, almond powder, mixing powder. The flour sifter is comfortable to hold and the powder can be filtered out by just pressing the handle. Sieve is made of anti-rust and corrosion-resistant food-grade stainless steel, giving it more durability. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Microwave Cooking Set. Stackable, space-saving design lets you prepare an entire meal in minutes, combining practicality with international innovation. Integrated handles in both the pot and lid ensure safe, easy removal from the microwave, making this one of the smartest kitchen tools for cooking. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Fridge Storage. Features an easy pull handle and smooth rolling wheels for effortless access. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Peeler. Blade cuts without damaging the orange and easily remove the peelings with the edge. Useful peeler tool helps to stop destroying your oranges when peeling away the orange skin by hand. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Ceramic Cups. Crafted from 100% food-grade ceramic for safety and durability. Easily stackable for convenient storage, saving kitchen space, suitable for both microwave and dishwasher use. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Spoon. Made from high-quality food-grade 316 stainless steel, this heavy-duty slotted skimmer spoon is built to resist rust, stains, and corrosion for long-lasting durability. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Juicer. Is capable of squeezing any fruit, vegetable, leafy greens and nut milk. Versatile options included: enjoy delicious sorbet of seasonal fruits like mango, strawberry, blueberry, kiwi. The 140mm wide auto hopper lid enables continuous juicing by allowing additional ingredients to be added during juicing, making hands-free juicing possible. Advanced 200W motor technology that minimizes noise and enhances durability. The stainless steel juicing strainer minimizes fiber stickiness and more convenient cleaning. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Modular Drawer. Features a customizable modular drawer storage design that lets you stack and arrange units, perfect for organizing items in any room, be it toys in the kids' room, utensils in the kitchen, or office supplies. Made from high-quality plastic, these drawers are sturdy yet lightweight, ensuring they withstand daily use while being easy to move. Their durability makes them ideal as a plastic drawer organizer in busy homes. The innovative design optimizes vertical space, providing ample storage without taking up too much room. This is especially useful for smaller spaces, helping keep your area tidy with this drawer organizer box. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mocha Pot. Brew a perfect cup of espresso that tastes much better and stronger than the coffee produced from espresso machines or the espresso you will get at your local coffee shops. Grab yours now. Slow brewing ensures rich and flavorful cup of coffee. It helps you to brew a perfect cup of espresso at home or on the go that tastes much better and stronger. 4 adjustable temperature settings will maintain your beverage at just the right temperature. Smart heating pad is compatible with flat-based steel, ceramic and glass mugs. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Kadai. Its triple-layer construction, from base to rim, leaves no chance of food burning and food sticking to the cookware surface. Cooking healthy food in the Tripoli Kadai is thus easier, hassle-free and without any chemicals. Its even heat distribution factor helps to preserve 85% of food nutrients. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Serving platter. Set includes one wooden tray and 4 small ceramic leaf-shaped plates, each with a different pattern for serving snacks, condiments, or starters. Plates are placed in alternating directions, adding a quirky and stylish touch to your dining table. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Organizer. Ideal for small bathrooms, it optimizes vertical space with a wall-mounted bathroom rack to keep your space clutter-free. Perfect for storing bathroom accessories, soap stand, and more. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Toothbrush cover case. Feature fun and fashionable cartoon designs that make brushing more enjoyable for both kids and adults. The lively graphics add personality to your daily routine. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Clothes folder. An amazing folding tool suitable for kids' clothes that can fold to a uniform size in less than 5 seconds. Great for folding tees, t-shirts, shirts, pants or towels. It can be easily put into a suitcase, and the clothes can be perfectly folded during vacation, so that the clothes are no longer wrinkled in a ball. Designed with high quality, strong and flexible PP resin material, the folding board is durable and will not break over time. Make boring tidying up work easy and fun. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Caddy. The shower basket has a 9-inch deep main storage compartment with 7 roomy outer pockets, which can store all dormitory stuff and bathroom shower accessories such as shampoo, conditioner, soap, razor, toothbrush, comb. This versatile mesh shower bag is made of high-quality materials, good seam reinforcement technology, strong, tough and durable. Double Oxford cloth handles have better load-bearing capacity. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Grill pan. They add iron to the food that makes food even healthier. They can last longer with proper seasoning and care. Tasty. Expect improved taste when cooking in cast iron grill pan. Its strong and durable offers longevity. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Washboard. Featuring a robust design with a thick, durable material, this washing board offers exceptional strength and longevity. The reinforced bottom and rim ensure a strong bearing capacity, providing you with a reliable tool for extended use. Its integrated basin simplifies the washing process. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Brass tea infuser. The precisely perforated brass mesh allows water to flow freely while keeping even the finest tea leaves securely inside. Enjoy loose leaf teas without bits floating in your cup, just a perfectly clean and flavorful infusion. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Spiral slicer. Boasting a premium, razor-sharp cutting blade, the slicer ensures durability and consistent performance. It produces uniform spirals, enhancing the professional appeal of your culinary creations with guaranteed precision, slice after slice. Not just for carrots, this tool is your creative partner for a variety of vegetables like cucumbers, enabling you to garnish salads and dining plates with flair. It's a versatile must-have for every kitchen, inviting sophistication into your meals. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Soap case. It's transparent. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Soap dispenser. It combines a liquid soap pump dispenser, a sponge holder, and a detachable dish for added convenience. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this dispenser is built to withstand daily use and retain its vibrant colors. The pump mechanism allows for effortless refilling of your preferred liquid soap or detergent. Its sleek design complements various kitchen settings. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Kettle. The interior is 304 food-grade stainless steel, and the cover is thickened tempered glass, ensuring your food stays uncontaminated and safe. 600 W power for quick boiling and cooking, 360 degrees swivel detachable power base for cord-free serving. Sleek design saves space and complements any kitchen decor. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Bread box. Organizer is the perfect addition to other kitchen storage containers, as it helps to keep the food fresh along with avoiding insects and dust. Keep fresh small back vent designed to aid airflow, keeps bread pastries sandwich remain fresh for longer time. Containers are made from high quality materials that makes them long lasting, strong and durable. Food grade plastic make these bread bins anti-fall lock. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Mop. Made of durable 304 stainless steel in PP. The upgraded handle allows the mop head to wing drier and makes less noise. You can adjust the maximum length of the mop rod to 50.4 inches by the smart lock on the handle pole, which can match most users' height. Open the locking buckle before spinning, and put the mop align the prominent parts, push the handle up and down, then you can wash and spin the mop easily. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Spice box. The stylish masala organizer for kitchen has 9 inner containers. The middle container has 4 partition with 4 compartments in which you can store 4 different spices, thus allowing you to store 12 different spices in one spice box. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Shower mat. Crafted from high-quality plastic, the mat ensures a secure and anti-slip surface, providing stability and preventing accidents in the bathroom. The mat features thermoplastic elastomer (TPE) material with hollow holes that enhance grip and facilitate excellent drainage, maintaining a clean and hygienic shower area. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Microwave cover. This microwave splatter cover can only be used in microwave mode, and it is forbidden to use the grill, light wave, combination, or hot air convection mode. Microwave splatter can block the loss of some heat and steam when heating food, thereby accelerating the heating speed of food and reducing the risk of overflow, helping keep reheated food appetizing in your microwave interior splatter free. Perfect kitchen accessories. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Cylinder trolley. This gas stand is fitted with caster wheels having a natural rubber cushion over a nylon center wheel which ensures that the gas trolley is safe for your flow. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Sponge holder. Is made by stainless steel. The caddy holder construction is rust-proof, waterproof, anti-scratch and anti-deformation. Organizer is suited for keeping sponge, bush, washing liquid orderly in kitchen. It can be a soap holder, shower caddy rack in bathroom and other scenes. Keeps your kitchen and bathroom orderly and elegantly. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Knife set. Made of high-grade stainless steel, designed in a way to meet all international standards. Whether it is a precision task or chopping and slicing, the cutting edge of knife makes your kitchen tasks a breeze. An ergonomic grip of Kohei allows the user to operate the knife with greater safety and control. Triple rivet palm handles ensure a comfortable, secure grip. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Bottles. Made from food-grade silicone, PETG, and PP materials, ensuring non-toxic and long-lasting performance. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Cookware. Designed with an induction-compatible base, this non-stick saucepan ensures consistent results for milk boiling, tea making, and cooking delicate sauces. Crafted with natural Maffan stone coating, known for its non-toxic properties, promoting safe and healthy meals for your family. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Spatula. Perfectly fits small bowls or containers, offering precise control for dough, frosting, batter, or sauces. Avoids oversized utensil mess, ideal for delicate pastries, cupcakes, and small batch baking. Prevents cross-contamination and keeps kitchen tools tidy, adding a lively touch to your workspace. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Ghee container. Made from premium quality stainless steel which gives an elegant look in your kitchen. One-piece lathe with long-lasting revet knob. Easy to store in cupboards and drawers. The maximum capacity of the grease container is slight below the brim. Container is equipped with a removable fine filter. It can filter the particles to make cooking oil reusable and provide convenient storage. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Oil sprayer bottle is made of food-grade, BPA-free polypropylene material and durable, unbreakable, lead-free glass. Transparent glass allows users to easily monitor the oil level, making it convenient to use and manage. The oil dispenser features an ergonomic grip, allowing you to effortlessly pull the trigger to spray a fine mist. The wide glass bottle opening to refill easily in its 220 ml capacity is ideal for everyday use to share food with your family or friends using this oil spray bottle for kitchen. Each time you pull the trigger, the exact amount of oil delivered is calculated, and you'll get 1/4 teaspoon of oil for total control of calorie counting in your kitchen, no matter which oil you choose. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Water bottle. A double-wall, vacuum-insulated design helps lock in heat for up to 12 hours and cold for up to 24. This makes our drink bottles perfect for use at home, the gym working out, while camping, or daily travel. Bottle is crafted with a unique and modern design. Gone are the days of old and boring flasks. Guaranteed to impress your colleagues, friends and family. Offering improved grip and control, these innovative dual-layer bottles offer a slip-resistant surface that's free of sweat and condensation. Ideal for work, school, or on-the-go use. Product link is given in the 39th link. 40. Coffee grinder. 60 precision settings take you from coarse French press to ultra-fine Turkish, and everything in between. The result: thick, golden creamer on every shot. No more weak, watery coffee from your expensive espresso machine. LED touch display lets you dial in your exact dose by time or number of cups. 0.2 second precision means you get the same amount every single morning. No measuring, no weighing, no guessing. Just press and go. Your busiest mornings just got simpler. Built-in airflow technology blows out residual grounds from the buzz automatically. Press the silicone pump and it pushes residual grounds out from the blade core instantly. Old coffee residue is the hidden reason your morning brew tastes flat. Stale grounds mix with fresh beans and ruin the flavor. This grinder solves that. No dismantling parts, no hunting for tiny brushes, no powder flying everywhere. Just press, clean, done. Every cup tastes as fresh as the first because your grinder stays spotless between uses. Grinds directly into your portafilter, compatible with most home and semi-professional espresso machines. No awkward transfers, no spilled grounds on your counter. From grinder to machine in one smooth step. The touch panel is simple enough for sleepy eyes and remembers your setting. No measuring spoons, no guessing, no wasted beans, just tap and go. Enjoy perfectly uniform coffee grounds for home espresso, pour over, mocha pot, AeroPress, and French press, with 25 grind settings to choose from, ensuring the best flavor every time, even on busy days. Grind size suitable for home espresso coffee makers only, not suitable for commercial grade espresso makers. Grind directly into a 51 mm portafilter, simplifying your espresso making process and saving time for busy mornings. Suitable for home espresso coffee makers only, not recommended for commercial use or commercial grade espresso makers. Built to last, the sturdy stainless steel burrs preserve the natural oils in your coffee beans, ensuring rich and uniform grounds for an exceptional coffee experience. Prevents coffee grounds from sticking to the sides, making cleanup quicker and easier for busy moms, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your coffee. The large 250 grams bean hopper, with a locking system for safety, allows you to grind a large batch of coffee at once, reducing the need for frequent refills. The grinder is designed with a locking system that ensures safe operation and prevents accidental spills. Product link is given in the 40th link.